Hey guys, how's it going? How to change Amazon Prime video quality. So first of all, open up the app or visit the website. Ensure that you signed into your account. Start playing the video that you want to watch. Tap or click the screen to bring up the video's controls. Then look for the settings gear icon. Select stream quality and choose your preferred quality, e.g. Maybe good, better, best, or auto. The video will adjust to your selected quality. And note, higher quality may use more data. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.